actually going to use this triangle because we have a pair here and we have this side of 15 centimeters here, but we don't have this angle. All right. Now you might be wondering, well, why couldn't we do that at the beginning with the x? Well, the problem is we have this, but if we use this, there are two unknowns, one unknown here and one unknown here. So we couldn't use that right now, the sine rule. Okay. So we are going to use this angle here, and then once we know this angle, we can actually find what the angle x is, because that's angles in a triangle. Okay, so it's another way of finding it. So if we look at this now, so that's going to be finding the angle right here, okay, for this question. So shall we let's get rid of that for now. We can't. We're going to just get rid of that. We're going to call this x just to help us out a little bit. So it's going to be sine x. I'm finding an angle, so sines will be on the top, over 15 is equal to sine 70 over 18. And then I just rearrange that so I can make sine x the subject. So sine x would be equal to, take the 15 to the other side to multiply at the top. So 15 sine 70 over 18. I'm finding an angle, so I need to do the inverse of sine. So that's inverse of 15 sine 70 over 18. And then if I put that into my calculator, I get 51.5 degrees to 1 decimal place. Now, what does that mean? I have now found this angle, which is 51.5 degrees. Okay, and the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So step number 2 is to find the angle BAC. All I need to do is 180 minus, add up the other two angles, so 70 plus 51.5, and then I get 180 minus 121.5, and then that gives me 58.5 degrees. And that's my final answer. So just to go back to this question and explain it again, just in case some of you didn't understand. We wanted to find this angle, that's the question, all right, but we couldn't do it directly using the sine rule because, look, we had that, but nothing there, okay, and unknown there. So what we did instead is use this one because we have this side and that. So we can now find this angle as we did, which is 51.5, and then we put that angle back into our triangle, and then we have now two angles known, so we added those up, took it away from 180 and found the angle that we were looking for.